Today is the last day for GA2 of TDS, and it has a lot of questions and it's much more complicated to solve than the last GA1. And so I found a way to solve all of these questions in like 10 minutes. So there was a site I found, which is TDS-Portal Solver.vercel.app, and I found this in like TDS group. So you can use this. So just go to the site, and all you have to do, you have to select GA2, and then you have to type in your email ID, your student email ID. And first of all, like you need to check these academic integrity and safe learning agreement, something. So just check this. And then you just add your email ID. So student email ID. Right now, this assignment is logged in with this ID. So I'm just gonna copy this one here, but you have to type in your student email ID, and then you just do initialize workspace, and then it would actually solve all of the questions. And okay, so it gives you all of the answers. All right, and you can copy these answers. So, go to the question 1 and you can copy answer and just paste in the answer and check. And you can see like this works. The answer is correct. Same thing for, question 2. So there are 10 questions. So you need to copy paste all of the answers. It does everything. I think it basically just like serves the app that you're supposed to create, like hosts it somewhere, and that's why all of these answers work. So you just do that, and second question is done. Then you go to the third question and copy the answer and just save, then check, and this one succeeds. The fourth one, it says Redis tunnel server 4. Okay, just creating all the things that we need to create. So, okay, this one is correct. Then question 5. Okay, so you have to do this for all of the questions. It's gonna take some time. Copy the answer. I'm just gonna paste in all of these. And question 6. Wait, this was question 7. Question 8. Copy answer. It's question 8. Question 9. Question 10. Okay, so all of them are entered now. The only downside, I think, is this, that it's served on like this TDS Solver API. Like this is written in the URL. But anyway, I'm just gonna go and save. I don't know if we have to check all before saving. Okay, we don't need to do that. It is checking each one. So last question. Okay, and yeah, so it was successfully submitted and you get 16 out of 16 score. So all you have to do is just go to this site and enter your email address and you will get all of the answers. I don't know who made this, but whoever made this, I'm gonna add the link in the description so you can easily go there. So that's it.